Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just northwest of Watertown, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Walpen, Mayville, Horicon, Juneau, Lomira, Theresa, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Burnett, Lebanon, Reevesville, Brownsville, Richwood, Kleiman, Lowell, Kikoski, Atwater, Knowles, and Minnesota Junction. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.